You saw this in my last short video, but most people use Tuna Cactus the wrong way and it can irritate your skin. In this video, I'll show you the safe way to use it for sunburn and for dry winter skin step by step. But remember to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and remember to share this video with your friends. The reason why this works is because Tuna Cactus stores natural moisture inside the pot, but preparation is the most important part. This Tuna Cactus is also called prickly pear. It grows in hot, dry areas and stores a lot of water inside the pot. But this is where many people make a mistake. If you don't prepare it properly, the small spines can irritate the skin instead of helping it. And this is why I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to prepare the prickly pear at home safely yourself. Alright people, so as you can see on the screen, we have identified our Tuna Cactus or our prickly pear. This plant has been traditionally used for skin care, hair growth, dandruff, scalp infection, acne, sunburn, winter dry skin. Interestingly, this plant is also used to reduce inflammation in the body and is traditionally used for back pain. Here are 10 quick benefits of the Tuna Cactus gel for the skin. Number 1, it helps with deep hydration. Number 2, it soothes irritated skin. Number 3, it offers anti-aging support. Number 4, it promotes healing. Number 5, it helps with acne-prone skin. Number 6, it balances oily skin. Number 7, it brightens complexion. Number 8, it protects against environmental stress. Number 9, is gentle for sensitive skin. And number 10, it is traditionally used for digestive support. In addition to this, the Tuna Cactus is also used as a natural hair conditioner. In certain cultures, the gel would be applied to the body to remove excessive heat. This prickly pear is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet, and this is why I'm taking the time out that you can learn the amazing benefits of it and how to prepare it safely at home for yourself and your family. Let's go. After picking our Tuna Cactus, the first step is to remove all the spines from the outer skin. Even when you don't see the spines, they can still irritate sensitive and sunburned skin. After removing the spines, it's time to move on to the next step of preparation. The next step is to wash your Tuna Cactus or your prickly pear properly. This step is very important to remove any dirt and to make your Tuna Cactus ready for the next step. After washing, then we move to the next step, and this, people, is to peel the edges of our Tuna Cactus. After peeling, then we'll cut our Tuna Cactus in the middle all the way down, and we'll open it like this. Next, we use our knife to make small cuttings just to ensure that we get enough gel and that it is evenly applied. Then rub it together. Isn't this beautiful? Now apply it to your face. The gel holds natural moisture that helps to cool the skin and reduce dryness. It's important to note that for sunburn, the skin is already sensitive, so you just need to apply a thin layer of the Tuna Cactus gel. Now, this is where many people make a mistake, and this causes irritation rather than helping the skin. The first mistake is leaving the Tuna Cactus gel on too long the first time you're using it. Everyone's skin is different, so it's best to start with 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The second mistake is not testing a small area first, especially if the skin is already sunburned or very dry. And the third mistake is doubting if natural remedies actually work. And yes, Tuna Cactus gel can be applied to the arms, the hands, the feet, and the body in general. The gel is traditionally used for dry, itchy, irritated skin. After about 10 to 15 minutes of application, you then rinse off the skin with cool water. You should feel the skin becoming calmer and more refreshed, not tight or irritated. People, the gel is traditionally used to support faster recovery of cuts, scratches, and minor skin damage. Personally, this is an important part of my skin routine. This gel is packed with antioxidants and soothing compounds, which make it very hydrating for my skin. The gel hydrates without clogging pores, making it ideal for oily skin. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can rinse it off with cool water. Alright people, so you have to be very careful with this one. You can hold it in your gloves, right? Or you can just hold between the spines, because you don't want this to get in your finger, because it can be really uncomfortable. Alright people, so we are going to show you how to actually deal with this now. Alright people, so the first one that we were dealing with was a more matured one. This one is less mature. And this one in particular has a lot of spines, right? You can see it as we flip it around. So you really have to be very careful with this one, right? If you're not wearing a glove, you can actually hold in between the spines, because when the spines get into your skin, it is not a comfortable feeling. Earlier I mentioned for sunburn, the skin is already sensitive, so you would only need to apply a thin layer. But for dry winter skin, it's a little different. The skin loses moisture faster in cold weather, so you have to leave the gel on slightly longer to help restore hydration. Definitely have to do mine as well. Alright people? If you use too much, the skin can feel sticky, and many people think the cactus isn't working, but it is just too much gel. People, sunburn needs cooling first, but winter dryness needs moisture over time. That's why you can leave it on slightly longer when using it for dry skin. Many desert plants store water to survive heat, and that same moisture is what makes the gel feel soothing on dry skin. Natural remedy, you know? Even in warm climates, dry weather or sun exposure can leave the skin dehydrated. Very cooling people, and hydrating, you know? Can definitely feel that this is doing a wonderful work, you know, on my face and my skin, you know, and I'm really appreciative, you know, of this traditional skincare routine, you know, definitely. I must say this is a calming, refreshing experience. Wow, really enjoy this one. Yeah man, this is skincare, you know, traditional, natural way to support healthy, glowing skin. So don't forget it people, the Tuna Cactus, the gel, is excellent for sunburn and winter hydration. Thank you all for tuning in. One love. Shalom.